My name is Carlos Flores. I have been in the Wall Street stock markets for more than 10 years. I specialized in the area of stocks and options, where I execute contracts every day, especially options contracts. And these are things that happen at very different times. Although when talking about the long term, it's something that financially we should start doing from a very young age as part of our education, even with your parents. Long term means protecting your money, and as I did, protecting it for the long run. It means starting to buy stocks or ETFs that, in the long term, will give you that financial freedom or truly allow you to invest. That is where real investing lies. Because you're not going to be watching the screens every day. You're not going to be checking what goes up, what goes down, what's happening, what's not happening. You choose a group of companies, a portfolio that you have studied, that you know, which has high long term profitability, like Apple, like Nvidia, like Microsoft, and many others that you know in 5, 6, or 8 years. Those companies will be generating double, triple, or much more than what they are doing right now. That has very, very high potential, and your money is working just by itself right there. Short term or day trading is different. It's for small accounts, it's for people who can really work on their mindset, who also have the time, and it's very technical. When we talk about the short term, it can also be done with stocks, but financially, you need to have a very large account. And that's when you get into options or contracts, which is what I do. Contracts are micro lots of a company's shares where you leverage yourself by approximately 100% and you can play much more economically while seeking much higher percentages in that company's market. For example, Apple, which right now costs more than $200, a single share. You can buy a contract that might cost you $100, but with leverage, you could make 500% or even 1000% in a day or even in an hour. And that's the great thing because these are contracts you buy and sell on the same day, giving you the freedom to work for an hour or two and achieve what many people take weeks or months to accomplish. Is there a risk? Yes, it has high volatility. That's why you need to train yourself. It's not something you'll achieve in a month or two. You have to train in all the technical aspects first. But above all, after that, you have to train your mind, your mindset, your psychology, your ego, because everything depends on that, on whether you succeed and whether you can be consistent and achieve really good results. I built CF Trading because I wanted something different from my own experience. For years, I've been seeing those gurus who tell you that in a month or in just a few days, you can earn hundreds of thousands of dollars. And that's not the reality. The reality is that when you start out in the world of trading, it's a process, it's a strategy, it's something psychological that you have to manage every day.